Hello and thank you for joining us today on GoEdTech Go for Sports Nutrition Certification. The first thing you want to do is, if you have an account, you can go to sign in. If you don't, you can go to register. I have an account, so I'm going to sign in. Now that I've signed in, I'm going to search for the course that I want. I want sports nutrition. And now you can see the sports nutrition course here. The course is free. It's for students, coaches, parents, and administrators. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the course that I want. I'm going to choose the state that I'm from. It defaults to California since I have an account and I indicated that in the account. I'm going to choose order course. I'm going to take this course for myself, so I'm going to hit continue. Now I'm going to scroll down here just a bit and I'm going to hit checkout. You will see that it is $0. I hit checkout. And as I do that, I have to agree to the NFHS terms of no refund policy on my $0 and hit continue. And now I've registered for the course. I can go to my courses and you can see the courses that I've signed up for here. I'm going to hit begin course and that will take me to the course. You can see it is active until 4/28 of 2022. So I have some time to get that done. I'm going to hit begin course. And now it will begin the course and I will go through. You can see over here that there is a progress bar. I can get out of it at any point and jump right back in to wherever I left off. Once I have completed a course, I can go to the main page in my dashboard and I can go to my certificates. Now I can look for the certificate for whatever course that I've already completed. I can go to download. Now I know that this is not the course that I was showing you. However, I'm going to show you just how to download the course and upload it as a PDF. So I'm going to hit download. It will take me to the certificate that I chose. I'll hit download arrow. I will rename it whatever I want to name it. I'm going to make sure it is a PDF. I hit save and now I have the PDF of this certificate that I can upload into my LMS. I hope this helped you with the completion of the certificate. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and you can find more certificate tutorials along with other human body system labs and activities.